Okay, picture this. You post a video, and within hours, people are not just watching it, they're sharing it, talking about it, and telling their friends. You have to see this. Imagine crafting a story so powerful, it's unforgettable. That's a wow video. Today, I'm breaking down the formula for a video that hooks viewers instantly, keeps them glued to the screen, and makes an impact they can't ignore. So grab a pen because I'm about to walk you through the exact steps to make it happen. A wow story is more than just great footage and editing tricks. A wow story grabs attention from the first second, holds it, and leaves a lasting impact. Before I give you these 4 steps, please subscribe, like, and share this video with other video creators you know, and be sure to check out my book, free story guide, and other resources in the description below. Okay, let me get to work. The first element of a wow video begins with an attention-grabbing start. You only have a few seconds to hook your viewers, so think of your opening as the most valuable real estate in your video. An attention-grabbing start does 2 things. It creates intrigue and promises something engaging. Here are some action steps you can take. First step, plan your opener. Decide if you'll use a bold visual, an intriguing question, or maybe an action shot. Choose one that best fits your story. Step 2, experiment with angles. For example, instead of showing yourself at a desk, try a dynamic shot that shows movement or a unique perspective. Step 3, review the first 5 seconds. Watch the opening and ask yourself, would I keep watching? If the answer isn't a solid yes, tweak it until it grabs you. Starting with this kind of impact shows your viewers they're in for something special and makes it hard for them to click away. The second element is to make an emotional connection. To make a video memorable, it has to make people feel something. This is where your story gains depth. When people connect emotionally, your story becomes part of their experience. This is what they'll remember and they'll talk about. To make that connection, you need to take several steps. Step 1, identify the core emotion. Think about what you want your audience to feel. Excitement, empathy, laughter. Write down a clear emotion for each scene. Step 2, show real emotions. If you're featuring people, capture their real reactions. Don't just focus on polished moments. Show vulnerability, joy, or maybe a surprise as it happens. Step 3, use relatable elements. Include small moments that your audience can see themselves in. For example, instead of just showing a person smiling, show why they're smiling. This adds context and emotion. Emotional connection turns your video from content into an experience. Aim to make viewers feel like they're part of your story. Okay, the third element is to use aha moments. These moments of surprise or revelation are what make your video memorable. An aha moment is something unexpected or insightful that gives viewers something valuable or changes their perspective. Tap into these moments by adding a surprising fact or a twist. Research a unique fact or bring in a twist that catches your viewers off guard. This could be a stat, a solution, or an insight. Structure your aha moments. Decide when to introduce this moment. Think of it as a mini plot twist that adds depth or intrigue right when your audience is most engaged. Highlighting your aha moments visually. Use text, graphics, or a camera zoom to draw attention to this moment. Visual emphasis makes it pop and makes sure it sticks with viewers. Aha moments give viewers something to remember and something to share. They elevate your content from entertaining to valuable. Are you ready for element number 4? Here it is. Take viewers on a journey of discovery. A wow video is more than a collection of shots, it's a journey. It should feel like a complete story with a beginning, a middle, and an end, leaving viewers with a sense of satisfaction or a takeaway. Step 1, map out your journey. Identify your beginning, the hook, the middle, or the main story, and the end, the resolution or the takeaway. Think of it like a road trip. Plan stops along the way that reveal new insights or layers to your story. Step 2, build suspense or tension. Raise the stakes as the story progresses. This could be as simple as raising a question or promising an answer by the end. Step 3, end with impact. Your conclusion should feel like a payoff. Wrap up with a strong takeaway, a call to action, or maybe a visual that resonates. Make it memorable. Giving viewers a satisfying journey is what keeps them coming back for more. They feel rewarded for sticking with you, and they're more likely to watch your next video. So let me give you a wow video checklist. Here it is. Number 1, grab attention right away. Number 2, create an emotional connection. 3, deliver memorable aha moments. And 4, take viewers on a journey. Remember, a wow video isn't just about visuals. It's about crafting an experience that's memorable, meaningful, and shareable. When you grab attention, connect emotionally, deliver those powerful aha moments, and take viewers on a journey, you're not just telling a story, you're leaving an impact that stays with them long after they've watched. This is the formula that separates unforgettable videos from just good content. Ready to turn every video into a wow? If this breakdown gave you that aha moment, don't stop here. Subscribe for more insider strategies to elevate your videos. And check the description below for exclusive resources that will guide you every step of the way. And hey, I'd really love to hear about your next project. So comment below on how you plan to use the WOW formula and what impact you're aiming to make. Let's start creating videos that aren't just watched, but remembered. Thanks for watching.